So, you logged into your account, you looked at your hard-earned money, you clicked that withdraw button because you need to pay your bills, you want to take that trip, or you just want the security of seeing that cash in your traditional bank account, and the app says no. Or maybe it says you have $0 available to withdraw, even though you can clearly see a big, beautiful balance staring right back at you. I know exactly how you feel. It is a terrifying feeling. It makes your stomach drop. You start thinking, is my money gone? Did I make a mistake by trusting an online platform? Is this company keeping my cash from me? Listen to me. Take a deep, deep breath. Your money is not gone. Wealthsimple is not stealing from you, and you have not lost your life savings. But what you are experiencing is a classic clash between modern technology and rigid financial laws. And if you are retired, or you are getting ready to hand in your resignation for good, you cannot afford to play guessing games with your cash flow. You need to know the rules of the game so you can stand in your financial power. Let's look at the absolute bottom line reason this happens, because it boils down to one major point of confusion: your total balance is not the same thing as your available balance. If you recently sold a stock, an ETF, or a mutual fund inside your account because you needed to free up cash, you cannot just click sell and then instantly move that money to your bank. The financial system doesn't work at the speed of light. When you sell an investment, it triggers what the industry calls a settlement period. In Canada, government regulations dictate that transactions take one full business day to officially settle. If you sell a stock on Tuesday, that cash is in financial limbo until Thursday. Wealthsimple can see that the trade happened, but until the actual cash clears the mandatory government clearinghouses, it cannot leave the platform. The exact same thing happens when you deposit fresh money. If you move money from your bank into Wealthsimple, they might let you invest it right away as a courtesy, but they will hold that money from being withdrawn for up to 5 business days. Why? Because they have to make sure your traditional bank actually clears the transfer. They aren't going to let you send money out the back door until they are 100% sure it walked through the front door. But let's talk about the biggest fear for people in your stage of life, because this is where the mistakes get incredibly expensive. Many of you are trying to withdraw money from registered accounts. We are talking about your RRSP, your RRIF, or your LIF. If you have a managed retirement account where Wealthsimple automatically invests for you, a withdrawal request doesn't just take one day. It takes 4 to 6 business days. Why? Because Wealthsimple literally has to go into the market, sell off pieces of your portfolio, wait for those trades to settle, and then initiate the transfer. If you try to pull money out in a panic on a Monday because you have a property tax bill due on Wednesday, you are going to get rejected or delayed, and your anxiety is going to go through the roof. And God forbid you try to pull a large lump sum out of your RRSP without looking at the tax implications. If Wealthsimple is blocking you, or if you are looking at the final number and noticing a huge chunk is missing, it is because of mandatory government withholding taxes. If you withdraw up to $5,000 from an RRSP, the government forces them to take 10% right off the top before you ever see a dime. If you withdraw over $15,000, they withhold 30% instantly. So, ask yourself the question, am I trying to move settled cash, or am I trying to force an investment platform to behave like an instant checking account? You must understand that online financial institutions have algorithms designed to protect you from fraud, but those exact same algorithms will lock down your account if you don't do things correctly. If your linked bank account changes, if your bank account is frozen, or if you try to withdraw a massive sum of money all at once that doesn't align with your usual patterns, the system flags it as suspicious. It freezes the withdrawal to protect you from hackers, but it leaves you feeling trapped. Here is your actionable takeaway. This is what you need to do right now to take control of your money and stop the stress. First, open the app or log into the website and look for your Activity tab. It looks like a little clock icon. Click on it and filter by withdrawals. It will show you the exact status of your money. If it says pending, it means the wheels are turning, the investments are being sold, or the bank is clearing the funds. Second, check your available to spend or available to withdraw balance. Do not look at the total portfolio value. look only at the settled cash amount. If that number is 0, you must wait for your recent trades or recent deposits to clear the 1 to 5 business day security window. Third, if you are over the age of 55 and dealing with locked-in accounts like a LIF, remember that the laws changed recently. There are strict government minimums you must withdraw every single year by December 31st, and if you don't do it, the government forces the platform to do it for you, which can trigger massive, unexpected tax bills. From this day forward, I want you to change how you manage your retirement cash flow. You can no longer operate on a day-to-day timeline. If you know you need money from your investment accounts for your monthly expenses, you must initiate those sales and withdrawals at least 7 to 10 business days before the money needs to hit your main bank account. Give the settlement periods time to work. Give the security filters time to breathe. Your money is safe, but you must be the master of your own financial timeline. No more panic, no more guesswork. Know the rules, protect your peace of mind, and secure your retirement.